Hello there, welcome to Tere Technique. We have this Honda Type R today, and this is 2019 model. Car came from 2016 to 2022, 2023 models. So depend on the different regions. But here we have this Type R. You can see this car came from factory with carbon fiber panels, but they don't have any kind of ambient lighting or ambient lights. So we have installed the ambient light kit in the car with the dual zone and the RGB function. So here you can see, so where we have installed this light. First of all, we have one light here, this panel completely changed with the carbon fiber and the storage box compartment. Then we have in the footwell lights on the other side, both sides we have, and here the wireless charging light as well. Then we have the front carbon fiber trims as well. This one is changed, and here this one. So then we have on the same side, and on the back side we have this strip, because we have the panels as well, but the panels doesn't comes in back doors of Type R. So here you can see we have only this light strip that is going. Then on the front side you can see this complete kit can be controlled with the buttons. We can install some buttons here, but this car already had like buttons and there are no places to install any other extra button. So we have connected this with the help of application. Here is the application that we can see, like the light that I am seeing on the under, below, and on my foot. So it can be changed like this. For example, right now it's completely blue. We have purple, we have a little bit pink, red, then we have purple, another shade like white, we have green, we have different shades of green, then we have like orange, yellow, all the lights we have here that are available in this app, so you can see. Then we have some rhythm options, then we can use custom color as well. There are almost 64 different colors. Then we have some RGB design as well, some movements. For example, we have the yellow below, so I will choose the blue here on the downside. Then we will go for this color on the color. So here we have illusion option in the illusion, so it is changing colors like this. You can see from purple to red to blue, green, like this. Like you can see, all these strips are changing colors. We have this light color, like this different colors are available here, you can see. Then we have some streamer option. It's like red and blue shade going all the way on this car to front side. Then we have some closing color as well, so it will go from middle of the light to the end. Then we have this optical option available. You can see this animation. There are lots of different animations available in this car, in this app. So you can see we have closing, ping pong, CTL, like lots of different things. So you can see, so there are different rhythms, different options. So you can toggle them, you can customize their length, customize their interval, you can change the flow direction, you can change the speed. Like there are lots of different things that you can attach or you can adjust. So that's the you can see the options or the functions over here. Then we have like different custom settings as well. You can turn this off from here, you can turn this on, you can put it on auto. Like there are different options available here, so different colors. So then you can see this is the kit that comes with these options, and we have like installed this kit on this charging option available. We have on the doors, storage box, trunk and door handle. On the back side, like as I told you, there was no panel for this Type R, so we have installed this universal strip. Plus we have on the storage compartment, on the door handle, and on the other side. So here is the complete video of this car. If you need any question or if you need any kit like this, you can contact me in the description below. I will provide all the contact information. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye.